Ever run into this situation while you're working? Your free credits suddenly run out, and you're left wondering, is there a way to get unlimited free credits? If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple method to keep generating content on Runway completely free. Let's get started. First, sign out of your current Runway account and head over to the dashboard. We're going to create a brand new account. For that, you'll need a fresh email address. You can use tmail.io or tempmail, but since I've used a lot of temporary emails, Mailticking is the best option compared to the others. Head over to Mailticking, which provides temporary emails. Click on the Change button to clear the old address and generate a new one. Copy that email, return to Runway, and click on Sign Up for Free to register a new account. Complete the sign up by entering a username and setting a new password. Confirm the password and click Next. It will ask for your first name, last name, and organization, which is optional. Now click on Create Account to receive the verification code. Now check your inbox for the verification code. Go back to Mailticking and hit refresh. It might take a few seconds, so refresh again if needed. Once you receive the email from Runway, open it, copy the code, and paste it into the verification field to complete your registration. Boom! Just like that, you've got another 125 free credits to use Runway's features. Let's try it out. I'll go ahead and create a video from an image. For video generation, click on Generate Video. Look here, you can see 125 credits available. Now to generate a video from an image, click on Select Asset and upload any image. You'll see a prompt box, which is optional. Enter any simple prompt and click on Generate. One of the great things about Runway is how fast it is. It can turn your static images into animated videos in less than a minute. And if you use up your credits again, no problem. Just repeat the same steps. Generate a new temporary email from Mailticking, create a new Runway account, and you'll get another batch of free credits. Here's a quick tip. If you run into a glitch where your image won't upload or the system seems stuck, try this workaround. Click on View All Plans, and then close that pop-up window. Next, select Gen 3 Alpha Turbo, upload your image, and once it's uploaded, switch to Gen 4 Turbo for faster results. And that's it! You're ready to keep creating without limits on Runway. If you found this useful and want more AI hacks and creative tools, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.